3 points. Seconds.
Start of the third quarter. Kararaan versus St. Gabriel. Kararaan
2 points.
Purple, St. Gabriel pink. 25-28. Basket. 27-28. 1 point lead by Kararaan. Basket by Kararaan. 30-27. Padernal. No good.
And the time.
Foul.
Traveling violation.
Traveling violation. Two points by 07 Padernal. 29-30. 1 point lead by Kararaan. Floater basket. 29-32. Ilapad
6 minutes 52 seconds.
to Barnes. No good. Barnes. No good. Rebound by Padernal. Jumper. Wala pa rin.
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds. Ang St. Gabriel sa nagili. Panginman. Art Langas. Kahilo. Double teamed. Double team. Rebound by Kararaan. Steal again. Out of bounds. Papadusho to Kagbay for 3. No good. Basket by Kapadusho. Mark Padernal to Kahilo. Pass to Hilapad for 3. Basket by 32-34. Balik sa dalawa ang lamang ng Kararaan. Kagbay. Traveling. Lifting violation. Cadiz Kahilo for 3.
Back-to-back 3.
35-34. Change favor to St. Gabriel. Out of bounds. Same ball. No good. Ilapad to Kahilo. Kahilo. Ilapad.
10 to shoot.
No good. Sa ilalim Barnes. Rebound by Kapadusho. Sa ilalim basket.
4 minutes
Kararaan.
20 seconds.
4 minutes 20 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Halo for 3, no good. Pass break. There's a foul.
And 1 point.
Basket
Last throw jumper.
by Kasikadan. Second throw, last throw, basket. 2 out of 2 by
4
Kasikadan.
minutes remaining time.
38-35, 3-point lead by Kararaan. Kahilo to Hilapad. Sa ilalim, Barnes, no good. Steal. Arellano to Kaskadan. No good.
And to shoot.
Arellano. Wala pa rin. Hilapad, there's a loose ball foul.
All over. 20.
Kahilo.
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds. Kaskadan
3 minutes.
for 3. There's a foul. 3-point opportunity. Free throw. First throw. Basket. Second throw. Basket. Alright, 3 out of 3 by Kaskadan. Ayan, St. Gabriel.
And Gabriel.
Hilapad. For 3, no good. Out of bounds.
Same ball.
Same ball. Kasikadan for 3, no good. Steal by Barnes. Floater, no good. Rebound by Kasikadan to Capadusho. Fires basket by Capadusho.
2 minutes,
43-35.
12 seconds.
8-point lead by Kararaan. There's a foul. Kahilo, no good. Capadusho, no good. Rebound by Kaskadan. Agaw ni Kahilo. Number 12, Kaminse, basket. 2 points.
1 minute, 30 seconds left.
(37-43). 6-point lead by Kararaan. Kasikadan, 2 points by Kasikadan. 23.
65 seconds left.
Barnes to Kangas. Kangas fires, no good. Padusho for the rebound to Kasikadan, 2 points. Easy 2.
50 seconds.
50 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Out of bounds, steal. Capadusho. Basket and 1 for Kasikadan.
$35 seconds left.
Barnes for 3, short. That's out of bounds. 28 seconds remaining, 37-49. It's a 12-point lead by Kararaan.
20 seconds.
Steal
15.
by Barnes.
2 points.
Dinerecho
10,
basket by Barnes. 39-49.
5,
3, short. Kani Kaminse. It's the end of the third
End
quarter.
of the third quarter. Official score. 39-49 in
10
favor
point
of
lead in
Cararaan.
favor of Cararaan. Team Cararaan.